HiiBaby 2 Pcsx size twist no pump suction. Condition, 100% brand new and high quality color, clear material, ABS plastic size, inside diameter 1.8 cm, 2.8 cm, 3.9 cm, 5 cm SML packing list, 2 Pcsx 1.8 cm suction cupping. Why it works. Like any tissue in the body, when it is exercised and blood flow is stimulated, it will enlarge. The natural nipple enlargement and enhancer uses this principle to arouse the nipple area and help small, flat, or inverted nipples grow longer and larger. How it works: the nipple enhancer is placed over the nipple area and works with a simple twist. This creates a vacuum, causing the nipple to expand right before your eyes. It works by creating a gentle suction that you choose the strength of, creating a custom fit. Enjoy a light sucking sensation or twist the knob further to create a more intense stimulation. Silent, simple, and discreet, it can be taken and used practically anyway for on-the-go, discrete stimulation and enlargement usage. Who it works for: women who have small, flat, or inverted nipples discover the amazingly simple and effective for increasing their nipple size. Women looking to spice up their sexual pleasure find adjustable, gentle to intense stimulation levels highly arousing and a must-have intimate enhancer. Can also be used to stimulate other sensitive areas of the body. Mo+m Baby Wrap Ultra Soft Infant Sling. This is one of the best wraps I have ever used. This wrap is 4 smaller in width than a Moby and 8 smaller in width than a Wrapsody. It is 27 shorter than a Moby and similar in length to a Wrapsody. I found no difference in function related to the smaller size. I noticed a big difference in the way overall bulkiness. The Mo+m wrap also has a slightly different texture on the backside. I found this enormously helpful in that I could tell if I was twisting the wrap as I put it on. I did not notice sagging or loosening of the wrap as I wore it with my 1-year-old. She loves it. It would also be ideal with a tiny baby, as you can tie it ahead of time when you go somewhere, then just pull it open to slip the baby in when you get there. Other wraps recommend this in varying degrees, but I found the Mo+m wrap stayed tight enough better. I received this product at a discounted rate in exchange for my honest review. ABC Alphabet Caterpillar Plush Baby Developmental Toy. Now I know my ABCs. With this educational design, the caterpillar helps your little one learn the alphabet and colors. Soft, plush fabric is perfect for snuggling. This is sure toy become of your child's favorite toys. Baby Fat Dare Me by Kimora Lee Simmons. Baby Fat Dare Me by Kimora Lee Simmons EDT Spray 3.4 ounces for women. Fragrance notes: honey brush, magnolia, sandalwood, neroli, coconut milk, nectar, white milkwood, musk, tonka bean, green almond macaroon, honeysuckle. When applying Gani fragrance, please consider that there are several factors which can affect the natural smell of your skin and, in turn, the way a scent smells on you. For instance, your mood, stress level, age, body chemistry, diet, and current medications may all alter the scents you wear. Similarly, factors such as dry or oily skin can even affect the amount of time a fragrance will last after being applied. Yozam's 909 Fashion Sexy Ladies Lingerie Baby Doll Uniform, white lace. Features: hand wash cold, do not hot comfort, not machine wash, do not dry clean, do not bleach, non-exposure, and hang. 100% brand new and lace material. It is suitable for women and ladies. Stylish and sexy design. Sexy dress G-string. Specification: name, sexy underwear material, lace. Size of product: M color, white. NW, 4 ounces. GW, 4 ounces. Quantity: 1 set. Size of bag: 170 250 40 mm product size, sexy lingerie M bust, 94 cm waist, 71 cm hip, 99 cm package included, 1 set. Only. Augustin Reyes Royal Violets 7.6 ounces spray with gold. Enjoy the clean, mild fragrance of royal violets, a true cultural icon in the Cuban community. The original violet cologne for children has perfumed Cuban children as well as the rest of the family for over 70 years. Except only the original. This product is recommended by us. Agua de Violetas Augustin Reyes 7.6 fl Ons disfrute de la fragancia limpia de Royal Violet, un verdadero icono de la cultura cubana. La colonia original de Violetas ha perfumado los niños cubanos y el resto de la familia por más de 70 años. Producto altamente recomendado. HiiBaby Baby Infant Gentle Vibrations Toothbrush LED Lights Child. Material, ABS, TPE color, green yellow size, 134 x 28 x 25 mm 5.2 x 1.1 x 1 inch weight, 30G battery, 1x AAA battery waterproof design, IPX7 frequency, 16,000 minute auto timer, 2 minutes package content, 1x brush, 3x brush head.